Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to charge the iPhone 16e using a different phone. So here I have the iPhone 16e and the Google Pixel, and I'm going to show you how to charge the iPhone 16e using the Google Pixel. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the settings on our other phone, and then scroll down to the battery setting and click on that, and then click on battery share and enable battery share. And now once I flip my phone around and place my iPhone on top of this phone right here, let me just show you that it is now charging. As you can see, the icon is changed to the charging icon, which means that the phone is charging right now. And unfortunately you cannot do this with another iPhone, so it can be two iPhones, but if you have an Android, then this will work. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.